Let's talk about building user trust, and it all starts with the very first click. Think about it. That login URL is the first thing your users see. A generic one feels off.
And this small change, it's not just about looks. It's about presenting a unified, professional brand.
So the fix is a feature called white labeling. You'll find it in the Zoho Mail admin console.
It basically makes your email feel like your email, not some random third-party service.
So why should you, as an admin, even care? Well, there are 3 really big reasons.
First, brand consistency. A custom URL just feels way more familiar and trustworthy for your team.
Second, a better user experience. An easy URL means less confusion and fewer help requests. Win-win.
And finally, security. It helps protect that custom URL and keeps everyone's data safer.
Okay, ready to set it up? It's just a quick 3-step process. Super easy. First up, just grab the CNAME value from the admin console. Easy enough, right? Then pop that CNAME record into your domain provider's settings. And last, generate the security certificate, and that's it. You're all done.
You see, a small tweak like this has a huge impact on how professional you look.
Your login page stops being just a tool. It becomes a real statement about your brand.
So, here's a thought for you. What story is your login page telling people right now?